Hey fellas, hello, and we have our most loved tool, Milwaukee here, and what the fuck was this here? Okay. Of course the problem is not working. It looks strange, the bolt is missing, the housing is damaged, so let's check it. Okay. Of course we have a dirt all over the armature. We have our Hall sensors touched here, so that can be a big problem. Now let's check what is moving here and what is not moving. If I remove the armature, and okay, it's only 4 screws. Okay, let's check, and definitely we can see the small problem here. The field looks good, but you can see the 3 Hall sensors, and this one was touched and maybe burned out, so I need to heat them up. Okay, we have the protection coating removed, and now we need to inspect the Hall sensors. Do you know the way how to test them? Okay, let's try to remove the old Hall sensors. And of course now we want to put the new Hall sensors on a board. I will just try to hold it on position here. Now I'm working without microscope here. It's better to do that with microscope, but then I will not be able to put it on the camera. Of course, with microscope you can see everything we do more clearly than with naked eye. Yep. As you see now, you have made a freaking good job on the soldering this one. So now I'm mounting the board back and I will test it with a big hope that the motor will spin around perfectly. If not, I will offer the customer the new controller, of course, but still the new controller is very expensive. Okay. We have it here. And if we need to connect the hammer casing or not. We will find that out now. Okay. Hey, we can see that the motor is spinning around, so that's a very good sign for us. Okay. Just making sure that I have not damaged anything. Okay. So now I will connect the housing here. cables. Mounting the field in a place. Of course, I have forgot about this one. Okay, inserted it, and we have the gap for the wire. Okay, let's check everything fits in place or not. Especially the field. Okay. Let's try to close it, and yeah, I still don't know what was with that housing. Just getting the gears fit. Okay, yeah, the one screw was missing. That's good, I will find a spare one. Okay, now we have only one screw missing here, but we know that one thing that the tool is working. I will just speed, yeah. So, lovely jubbly. Thank you for watching. I will put the screw, and as you can see, sometimes the problem is a really small part like a whole sensor. Thank you for watching, and for now, just bye.